We had 3 days now with a winter storm and really much wind. It's still blowing. Didn't catch a lot of snow here, but it came a few centimeters, like 15-20 centimeters. But underneath here it's really slippery because we had warm weather. So under here it's only ice. If you're looking for music for your videos, I can recommend Epidemic Sound. I've been using them for years. If you click on the comment section on all my videos, you will see a referral code I have that will give you 1 month free. If you wonder how it is to snowplow now, it's only ice under here, so I'm only spinning and you will see it now. Not sure if you managed to see it, but the tires are slipping all the time. I almost fell here myself. So now it's good enough. But I have to wait for the others, like snow plowing. And you probably saw I was really struggling there. I was struggling the whole way. And when the plow was coming, I had to save my camera. I have to wait for the plow to come and take the rest of the road again before I can drive down again and clean the rest if it will come more snow. After that I go to my neighbor and help her out with her driveways. And no, will not be my last snowplowing video. When I'm making this one, I have already 2 other videos on hold that I haven't published yet. So I don't want to publish videos every day. I try to stick to every second or third day when I'm snowplowing. Yeah, so see you in the next video. And hit the like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. And yeah, hope you have a nice day. Bye bye.